Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Chevrolet Traverse. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 115,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, blind spot safety, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, and window defogger.